Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out on a beautiful morning here in Plano, Texas. We're going to be setting up a 150-inch HCNC screen from Severtson. That's the high contrast non-coded. What that is it's a 60% ambient light rejecting screen in a living room. So this house doesn't have a dedicated theater, so we're going to be setting it up in a living room so that you can have that theater-like experience. So we're going to be doing Klipsch tower speakers, Denon receiver, Control4 remote, and the works here. So we'll show you that process along the way, and thanks for tuning in. All right, so we're going to zoom out here. So we're putting the 150-inch screen on this wall here. We're right now unboxing the box and breaking it down, unboxing the screen and breaking it down here. So we've got the RP8000Fs and the RP504C in walnut. We're doing an Epson 4050 Pro Cinema 4K projector and the Denon AVRX 1600H. We're also doing the Strong Pro XL Strong Projector XL mount here. This is the fine-tuning adjustments, everything else you've seen in our other videos, which we'll show you all that again as well. But of course, the Control4 EA1 controller, SR260 remote. We've got the watt box, power conditioner, and everything else here. So we're going to mount this on the wall here, and we're going to have the projector. We've got a cathedral mount as well, which is allows the projector to be mounted on an angled sloped roof, or a ceiling. So we're going to get all that going, the projector or the screen assembled, and show you that process. All right, so status report. We've got the frame built, and we've got the screen laid out. We've even got the tension rods all run through. So there's a tension rod that goes along each edge. Then we've got our springs that we're going to attach the tension rod and then attach to the frame so that we've got full tension on the screen. Obviously the material is actually smaller than the, starts out smaller than the frame itself and has to be stretched so that you don't get any ripples or anything in the material. So we're going to keep at it. All right, so we've got the screen fully stretched out. What we're going to do now is we've got tension bars here. Since this is a 150-inch screen, we're going to put those tension bars basically on the third points so that it supports the frame and it doesn't and it stays square. All right, so just for size reference, Charles is on a step. Charles is 5'11", 6 flat, and he's even got about a 6-inch step up, and you can see it is still bigger than him. So this is a massive screen here, and it fits this area perfectly. Actually, go ahead and zoom out so you can see. It is a large screen. On the back, we have the tension bars here. We've got them wedged into the frame, so it keeps the frame square, and we've got 2 of them on the third points here. So next step we are going to do is get everything measured and lined up so we can get the brackets and on the wall and the frame and the screen hung. All right, so status report. We've got the outlet and everything installed here. I've got the projector on the cathedral mount, as you can see here. So you can see the angle that it's on, but the projector is perfectly level. So that way we're able to get it installed here all the way back as far as we needed to. Charles is now plugging in the cables and putting the back cover on the projector. And just so you can see, the knobs on the top of, you see them right there, that is so that we can adjust the level, so you can actually adjust the forward and back tilt, the side tilt, as well as the rotation of the projector without having to loosen screws or anything else. We just get it locked in and do some fine-tuning adjustments. Run everything through the attic, everything coming out of the hole over here. Go ahead and zoom out. And we've got the brackets already hung for the screen, which we have right here ready to be hung. So we're going to get going on finishing this stuff up, and we've also got coax and everything run here so we can get it part of the network. We're going to move router and everything to here as well for the customer. So as you've got here, Charles has the level up top there. He's finding a spot to put it on, and then he can just turn the knob just like so, and it adjusts the projector to level. But don't forget, we've got the Epson Pro Cinema 4050 projector. We've got our surge protected outlet up top and our 18 gig cable, 50-foot cable we used to go all the way over here and back down, all right, right behind that cabinet. So you can see we have the cathedral mount here, like I showed you earlier, so that it is mounted on that sloped ceiling to where the projector can be mounted perfectly flush or perfectly level.
Right now, you're listening to where cinematic audio has been. Because we are so used to hearing sound this way, we don't notice that it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be. But what if sound could be extraordinary? Again, Dolby Atmos, audio can precisely move in any direction within this theater, whether the sound sweeps from the back to all the way in front, arcs overhead, or moves anywhere in between. Today, you will feel every dimension. How does that sound?
Love it. All right, guys, so we actually recorded that whole thing with the windows open. Lights coming in from behind us. And I'll give a little view here. All bright, wide open here. This is coming in from everywhere, and you see just how good that picture looked. Looked great in person. I hope it came through on camera so you could see. So I hope you enjoyed that demo. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching. If you enjoy videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Help support us by giving us a big thumbs up and hitting that bell icon to get notified of future videos. Commenting down below, telling us your thoughts and giving us, liking our videos and a thumbs up really helps support our channel and helps with the YouTube algorithm so that other people can find our videos. If you're in the local Dallas-Fort Worth area, please contact us at 972-905-0556 so we can do a system like this for you. We obviously also do automation, networking, distributed audio, outdoor systems, anything like that. You can find all of the examples of all those types of projects on our channel as well. Please contact us at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. All that information will be down below in the description as well as at the bottom of the video. Thanks for your support and look forward to getting that next video out. Thanks, guys.